Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel One Developer, and today I'm gonna teach you like how to make a loading screen, like the terminal loading screen that looks like this. So let's get started. So we are creating it by just using HTML and CSS, the normal HTML or normal SCSS. So let's get started from here. So first of all, you have to write a boilerplate. So we'll name that. Okay, so now what you have to do, you just have to delete all these things like the body and the header also. Oh wait, there's no need to delete header. Just okay, so let's begin. So first of all, we have to create a divider, or sorry, division, div class. Actually, first of all, you just write this thing like this, and inside this, we have to create a class called terminal loader. After that, we have to create a class named as terminal header. And after that, we have to create a class named as terminal title. Here I am defining the name of this title, which will be like status. And another like we had to get one more division or div. So that's right with the class name as terminal controls. Okay, so in this div you don't have to write something else, like just do this and create another div where you have to create a class named as control. Sorry for the spelling. Control clause. And after that we have to create another class named that control mouse. Sorry, control minimize. And like after that you have to create another class named as control maximize. Wait a sec. Div close. And that's it for this one. And the div close. Okay. And like after that you have to create another div for the class text, which is loading. So let's check this how it looks right now. So it looks like the status and loading it. So now it's a time to create the style for this. So let's create the style for this. and it's okay. So let us introduce style here. In style, we have to give some keyframes first. 50% and border, right, color, which is transparent, right? And after that, we have to add a keyframe of type and delete, which is 0%, comma 10%. Zero out bits is like 0, let's check this first. So it's still the same. Let's change some more CSS here. Okay, so now after that we have to create a terminal nodal as we have defined this as a class. So now give some CSS to class. So the border is like 0.1 am. You can give any color according to you, but like it's terminal, so you have to choose black color as the background. What we have to do after that, we have to set a color for, which is like 0 the green color for the inner typers, and font family we have to choose the Korean new, the first one. Font size 1 am, width and padding is 1.5 am. Okay, so after that we have to set box shadow. For box shadow we have to set 0 for px, 8px, rgpa, 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0.2. Border radius relative overflow hidden. Border. Okay, so that's the CSS for terminal board loader. And right now we are starting the CSS for terminal header. Maybe a different one. Sorry. So for terminal header, we have to wait. Let me check first. Okay, so it's look great right now. So we have to give it functioning to so it can move. So for terminal header, we are gonna give a position first, which is absolute. Okay. Right now after that, we have to top is equals to 0, left 0, right 0, height 0.5 em, background color 333. Wait, let me do something like here. Border, we have to set 4px, Your padding should be sorry 0.4 em. Your box sizing should be equals to border box. So that's for terminal header. Okay, so now we have to write CSS for terminal controls. Controls inside this float right dot control display inline block height 0.6 cm as same as it, margin left 0.4, border radius 50%. Background color. Hashtag 777. That's like great. So we are done with the control also. So now we have to define control clause. Use background color only. Hashtag E33. So that's now for control minimize. And right now we have to write the CSS for control maximize. And now we have to write for terminal title. Line height is equals to 1.5 em. Display inline block. Let space overheader. Overflow hidden. Border right 0.2 em. Solid green. Animation type and delete. Forest steps 11. Infinite blink cursor 0.5 seconds. Step and infinite alternate margin top 0.5 am. Okay, let's check. It's working correctly like the previous one. Okay, so we have three dots here. Okay, so let us make this three dots also. This is a function. Let me check like what's the mistake in this. It's currently working. This type and is also working. Like, what's the problem here? Okay. You should type in data to 4 seconds with steps 11 infinite time तक run करने का blink cursor 0.5 seconds step and infinite alternate margin top 1.5 is perfectly correct. I don't know why it's not working. Yeah, okay, so pattern color is 33 and this is what like control close, control minimize and control maximize. Okay, so control close, let me check how I write there. Okay, so wait, so now it will be work for sure. 2000 so we are missing right now. Control minimize, control maximize, control close. Okay, so first terminal controls. It should be controls, not control only, right? It's working fine. So that's all today's video. Thank you and have a nice day. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and keep supporting me.